Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-XB900N and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair your headphones with this Android device that is over here using NFC. So let me take off this case from my phone to make NFC better, and now I do have to unlock my phone, so wait a moment. Wrong pin again. And now I do have my phone unlocked. Now we just have to do something like this to our headphones, but we have to turn on them before that. To do so, we have to click on this button over here. Now they are turned on, and now we have to move our phone to this right earbud, and as you can see, here we have Sony WH-XB900N connecting. I will click done now, and now as you can see in our Bluetooth connections we have our headphones. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.